Hi guys, so today I will be doing a little period kit. I'm going to be making my period kit. And if you don't know, I just started my period. You probably don't know. So yeah, today I went out shopping with my best friend, Salome. She's right here, but she doesn't want to be in the video. So yeah, and we got stuff for the kit. So let's get on with it. For your period kit, you'll of course need a bag. So I got this bag at Miniso, and it says Miniso Life, and it's like this really cute pink color. It's pretty big on the inside. And I got this little cat chain that's also pink, and it has diamond eyes. And yeah, we'll be putting everything in there. So we also have this Star Wars Ziploc bag and some underwear in here in case an emergency happens. And I wanted to store it in a kind of way that I wouldn't have to store them separately. So yeah, I'll just put this at the bottom. Put this at the bottom right here. I don't think you can see that. So sorry, the light fell down. So next, of course, you're gonna need some pads. If you use tampons, you can use tampons. Way too early for tampons. So I have these three always pads. I forgot it for a second there. And yeah, I'm just gonna be putting 3 of these. Three of these in my bag. So next, I have this really cute Hello Kitty Smile wet wipes. I bought this because it looks so cute, so pretty, and I love pink, so yeah. And I will be putting this here behind the pads. And next, I have some deodorant and I need it sometimes, and I just have this Dove one, and it's in Russian. I can't read Russian. It smells really nice. My best friend just took a photo of me with my Polaroid. So yeah, we're gonna be putting this in here, right here. And next we just have 2 more small things. So I'm gonna be putting in this hand sanitizer. I also got this from Miniso. It's this Potpourri. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Washing free Potpourri hand sanitizer. And it's pink again. This light is so bad. I charged it for 3 days. Still turned off. So yeah, we're gonna put that in here. And last, but definitely not least, like that. And last but definitely not least, I'm gonna be putting some lip balm in here. This is Miniso strawberry scented and taste lip balm. And it's just like this, and it smells really good. So yeah, that's it. That's basically what you're mostly gonna need or want. I'm gonna put a few hair ties in here. I just forgot about that. And yeah, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, and if it helped you somehow, please give it a like and comment down below, just something, and please subscribe. Bye.